Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to track your intraday drawdown on Tradovate. So first of all, you need to log in into your Tradovate account. When you are inside, you are going to see your account tab here on the top. Then right next to it, you will have the equity and the open PNL. So over here, you can just take a look at the balance sheet in order to see your total PNL, the open PNL and the realized PNL. You can see the information over here in this particular section where you are currently in a position. So now for intraday drawdown, you need to also watch your net PNL for the current session. Tradovate calculates the daily PNL from the beginning of the trading session at 5 p.m. Central Time, including both the realized and the open PNL as well as the fees and the commissions. For example, if your account starts the session at $50,000 and your net PNL drops to, let's say, minus $800, then your intraday drawdown at that particular point is $800. Now, if you want Tradovate to automatically protect you from exceeding a specific daily loss, you need to simply go to the application settings. Over here in the accounts tab, you need to simply click on the option of risk settings. Now over here inside the risk settings, you can select the option of daily loss limit, and then you can just simply enter the daily loss limit. So for example, let's say my daily loss limit is $1,000. Then click on the option of save. So this is more reliable than manually calculating your loss throughout the day. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.